Lily, can you look? Lily, look here. What do you say?
No, he doesn't. It's not there anymore.
Can you say cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger.
Look at me. Say it.
Cheeseburger.
Perfect. You say cheeseburger? You guys sounded just the same.
Oh, that's good.
Oh yeah, you're styling, man.
Emily?
Alright, are you ready?
Em.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
Close and personal. Here, I'm afraid we're going down too close to each other.
Don't worry about it,
Here, get up there. Scoot up. Scoot up. Scoot up a little bit. There you go. Good job, Em.
Here you go. Put it in. You got your thumb where it needs to be? Yeah?
Let's go.
Ready?
Help her, Colin. I'm going to tape her. Cheeseburger.